10 one-minute email habits to boost your productivity. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're like most people, email is probably one of your biggest productivity challenges. Today, I'm sharing 10 simple, one-minute email habits that can help you streamline your inbox, save time, and stay on top of your tasks. These tips are perfect for anyone juggling work, projects, and personal communication. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Let's dive right in. Key email habits. Start at the bottom of your inbox. Begin with the oldest emails to ensure you have all the context needed for newer ones. Set up Gmail's auto-advance feature or Outlook settings to automatically open the next email after archiving or snoozing. Master keyboard shortcuts. E to archive emails. K to skip emails you'll address later. B to snooze emails for a more relevant time. Snooze long-term tasks until closer to their due dates for a clutter-free inbox. Describe attachments in emails. Adding a brief description of attachments helps you, and others, quickly find them later by searching for specific keywords. Use Gmail filter chips. Instead of manual searches, utilize Gmail's filter chips like From Me or Has Attachment. For advanced filtering, explore options like Exclude Calendar Updates for a cleaner search. Label or star important emails. Take a few extra seconds to assign labels or stars to key emails. This small step makes finding important messages much easier later. Save drafts as templates. For repetitive emails, save drafts as templates. Customize placeholders, e.g., name, for quick updates. Pro tip: save ChatGPT email prompts as templates for even faster drafting. Organize emails on the go. Configure email apps to swipe right for archiving and left for labeling or moving emails. By the time you reach work, your inbox is already sorted. Efficient meeting scheduling. Use Gmail's Set Up a Time to Meet feature to propose time slots or create non-negotiable meetings directly from the reply window. It saves back-and-forth communication. Refine shared document notifications. In Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, adjust comment notifications to For You and edit notifications to None unless you're actively managing the project. Adopt the Inbox Zero workflow. Organize emails into 3 actionable buckets. Follow-up, tasks requiring your action. Awaiting reply, delegated actions waiting for others. Read later, non-urgent references. Archive all other emails. Implementing Inbox Zero ensures a clear and manageable inbox. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more tips to increase your productivity.